Evening, YouTubers. A little quickie on the Volkswagen Super Pusher Flatbed Frankenstein. Basically, anything I've really accomplished today is I got the back welded up. Handle's still there. Went ahead and put the dashboard back in again. Mounted the steering column. There you can see the Sagan electric power steering setup. Had to make a custom bracket to mount the Subaru steering column to the Subaru dashboard at this very unusual angle that you use for a van. So, and I clamped the center down so I can go underneath and weld it. Took the wipers off. Still need to take this side panel off and put it outside. Here's the other side of the dash. These fiberglass panels are glassed into the body. And I use the stock bolts to bolt the dash in. Of course, the glove box goes there. Heater ducts go there. And I do have the center console. Not sure if I'm going to use it. It doesn't have cup holders. Damn. Here I am, a coffee drinker and no cup holders. So that's about it for today. A quick little shorty. There's the other side of the steering column. Maybe I should have put the seat back in so you could see the driving position. Anyhow, that's it. Sayonara. Have a good weekend. Oh, by the way, I think it is Friday. Bye.